Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing a sponsored video with this makeup look. This is a combination of colors that I've probably never used. Teal and red came out beautifully, and I'm working with Florasis to share with you this incredible Eastern Auspicious Beats limited gift box, which has these 4 key products that I used to create the look. These products are like artwork. Not only is the outer packaging beautiful, divinely intricate, but so is the embossing on the shadows in this palette itself, and a beautiful color story. Then this sculpting palette is a must-have. Beautiful on the outside, of course, but on the inside as well. And this can be used for your face to sculpt, contour, highlight, and blush your face, but also your eyes. And then this is a powder, beautiful twist opening with the softest powder puff you will ever use. This is a lipstick and it is a collector's item. Love the color, of course. It's comes out really like a very unique red. I don't have a red like this in my collection, and the embossing on it is beautiful. Every item tells a very intricate story. If you want to win one of these gift boxes, check the description box for information. Now here is how I got the look. Starting out by applying my eyeshadow guides just for the shape. Now going in with the new palette. This is limited edition packaging of the palette, and it contains all these beautiful shades that you can use wet or dry. And as I said, I love the color story in this palette. So I was really inspired by the story of the Phoenix, which is what the palette tells with the engravings on the inside. And so I've got the wings on the inner part of my eye like this, that I wanted to be with the teal shade, and the outer corner of my eye there as well. So they're like inspired by the Phoenix's wings. And when you peel it off, I've got that perfect wing just there. And I'm using the eyeshadow dry at this point, but then I'm gonna go in with a wet brush soon to intensify and add some nice, beautiful, crisp lines. The eyeshadows in this palette, super blendable and easy to use. And I'm moving through the colors in the palette. I use most of the colors. I think there's 2 that I don't use, but the mattes are so easy to blend, as you can see, and really rich in color. You can build up, there's no patchiness or anything like that, and minimal to no fallout. As they're made with water soluble components, so the powder is highly pigmented, but especially when applying with a wet brush, which you'll see soon. And even when I use my fingers here to apply this highlight color, which is amazing, it's literally a blinding, gorgeous highlight color. If you use that wet, it's intense. You could see that on the swatch on my arm before. Now just peeling away the guides so that you can see that nice crisp line, and that's the basis of the eye look. Now I'm just gonna freshen everything up with that brush, add a little bit more color just because I don't want it to be too sharp, Now I'm dampening my brush with some MAC Fix Plus and then using it to intensify the teal. And you can see that it really highlights the kind of metallic nature of the eyeshadow. So love doing that, and then using this little liner brush. Actually it's a brow brush, but I'm gonna use the red because I really wanted to use the red in this look. Like I barely ever, have I ever used a red eyeshadow? And look at that, so easy to create a custom red liner with that. So if you don't have any red in your makeup kit, this palette is a must-have. Now I'm going to line my upper eyelid and a little bit of the lower outer eyelid with this awesome liner brush from the brand. It's the Pine Soot Smooth Liner, or the Songyun Tracing Eyeliner, and it's really, really great. I found it so easy to get an intense pigmented winged liner. I'm definitely going to keep using. Honestly, all the products that I used, I was just blown away with the quality. From the packaging to how the product applies and wears, I've never kind of been this impressed with products. They really are a must-have. Now I'm applying some mascara, and this is the MAC Stacked Mascara. I'm going to apply lashes, and I did a little TikTok transition. These are the Patrick Ta and House of Lashes collab. Now applying my foundation and concealer all at the same time because I want a nice natural finish to my skin. So patting everything on at once and then blending in with a brush. And if you're wondering, the brushes that I'm using here are the Toby Henny collaboration, and they're a really great professional brush set. In this beautiful Florasis compact, it's the Fairy Peach Blossom Ultralight Setting Powder, and this is the Porch Window Edition. It's beautiful, twist opening, and it's the softest powder puff I've ever used. And look at the way it like very softly blurs and softens the appearance of my skin. It's a really light translucent finish, which is oil controlling and moisturizing, which is important. It really enhances the appearance of your foundation rather than giving a cakey effect, which I do not like. You can see the shine on my forehead, and then on the side with the powder, it's just not there. Beautiful finish with that product. Now, this palette is another must-have. It's the Eastern Beasts Sculpting Makeup Palette, and it's a 4-in-1 palette with natural sculpting like colors. So you've got a contour, highlight, blush, and like a brightening powder. And I love that you can use these for your face as well as your eyes if you would like. The formula is enriched with floral essence, so there's no creasing, it's not patchy, it's got excellent moisturizing ingredients, so the powder is extremely delicate and gives a very seamless look. And the fine powder is easy to blend, and it hides your pores. I especially love the shade of that blush too. It's just very, very natural, and the contour shade is the perfect cool tone color to get that really sculpted finish. And this highlighter as well. It's the perfect blend of like glowiness and shimmeriness without looking too wet or glazed. Do you know what I mean? It's just perfect. Now, quickly filling in my brows with the Florasis brow pencil. And I love the color of this, and the weight of the product as well makes it much easier to use. Very high quality spoolie, so I'm just blending the product through, and there's my finished brow. Now, the Blooming Rouge Love Lock lipstick, you just press the little lock logo on the edge there, and out pops this beautiful, beautiful lipstick in the shade My One and Only. Now, it deserves another close-up because if you're a makeup collector like me, this is the kind of thing that you must have in your collection. Swatching it so you can see the formula. It's a really nice, soft, kind of matte, a misty matte finish with high color rendering, they say, and smooth feel without dryness. It's a very hydrating formula. It really melts onto the lips, and it's super easy to use, as you can see. And I don't have a red like this in my collection, so I was really excited to receive it. However, now I probably have to go and buy myself another one because now I've used it and I want to collect it as well. So I need to get the entire collection because it's the most beautiful lipstick I've ever seen. And that completes the look. Snap it back in to the lock, and it's got the most beautiful tassel. Perfect gift idea. Definitely get yourself this Eastern Auspicious Beats limited gift box from Florasis. It's absolutely gorgeous and would make the most perfect gift. The products inside are how I achieved this look, and as you can see, I was really so impressed. Like I can't wait to kind of test out the rest of the products because I did receive other Florasis products, and everything looks amazing. Now that I've tried them on my face, I need to use them some more. And I find everything surprisingly affordable on their website, so check it out and consider purchasing for yourself, especially because I have a coupon code to share with you in the description box. So check it out, and also remember, enter the little contest by following Florasis, and I'll pick a winner and you will receive the gift box with those 4 key products: the makeup palette, the Love Lock lipstick, the sculpting palette, and the Peach Blossom ultralight setting powder. I also wanted to add a little bit of shine to my lips with this product they sent me. It's the Flawless Jade Shine Liquid Lipstick, and it's like a really nice lightweight lip gloss. I just wanted to add a little bit of shine to the center of my lips because I can, and that's that finished look there. So you've got like the misty matte finish or the lip gloss, which I think adds a nice little bit of extra dimension. So here's me posing, feeling myself. Love, 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 love the finish. And I love trying intricate makeup looks. So thanks guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to check out Florasis on their social media and the coupon code below in the description box for all your Florasis shopping. Thanks for watching.